Well, the American Lung Association has released a national state of tobacco control report every year since 2003, grading every state's ability to stop smoking. ABC 10 News Now senior reporter Mike Hoey looks at how Michigan fared from a UP perspective.
Michigan received failing grades in 2 of the report's 4 areas: tobacco control and spending and cessation program coverage. Michigan is spending about $4.7 million on tobacco control this fiscal year. The Centers for Disease Control recommend $121 million.
At a lot of our regional meetings, we will talk a lot about what we can do with the sparse resources that we have. And unfortunately, it's a lot of referring to a state quit line or giving print materials where we're not able to work with people as much as we'd like to.
Like most states, Michigan is spending the vast majority of its 1998 tobacco class action lawsuit money on its general fund rather than on tobacco control. Michigan also did not require private health insurers to cover smoking cessation measures last year. Former Marquette County Health Department employee Jim Harrington now works for the American Lung Association in Petoskey. He says tobacco companies are taking advantage of youth to create a new generation of smokers.
We're seeing a lot of products that are coming out that are flavored and intentionally marketed to young people. And we're seeing this with electronic cigarettes to candy-flavored products.
The CDC says 23.3% of Michigan adults smoke.
Here at the health department, Sarah Derwin says if more money and more effort are dedicated to smoking cessation programs, the smoking rate can and will go down.
There is still that fear that it can start coming across as not as big of an issue, and as soon as we know when youth start using when they're under 18, then we could have a problem then for the rest of their life.
In Marquette County, for example, when we invested more money in prevention services and passed smoke-free policies that were comprehensive, we saw smoking and tobacco use rates go down.
Michigan received a C grade for its $2 per pack cigarette tax, which is above the national average of $1.53. It also received a B for smoke-free air. Mike Hoey, ABC 10 and CW5 News Now.